Hey. Oh, got the sun. My bad. Let me turn around here. We're on a scooter ride again today. As you can see, the scooters right there. We decided to ride about, I think it was 20 miles, 23 miles from where we're camped at doing our seasonal job to come to, I'm not even going to try to say it. I'm going to let you read it. I don't know how to say that word. But we rode our scooters to this place. We're in Minnesota, and I don't really know, I don't think this area has a town name because there's no towns here. This refuge is tons of wildlife, water. We're fixing to go up on that here in just a second. And these trails are scooter friendly. Permitted bikes, non-motorized and motorized on Lost Bay Habitat Drive. Sweet. They've got wolves and moose here. We haven't seen none yet, but they claim to have it. We're fixing to go find out. Anyhow, we're gonna walk over here. She's already over there. I'm over here yapping my jaws. Fixing to walk up on that. Give me just a minute. Oh, they got gators here. Gators in Minnesota. Minnesota. Nope, no gators. They don't have gators here either. No gators. I bet there's some snakes down there though. This is the wildlife viewing area. Wow, that water goes as far as you can see, don't it? Pretty neat. I pushed it, nothing happened. Well, didn't see no gators, but I just found a spider web. It's nice. We come over here to see the birds and they're all behind us in the woods. We made it to the visitor center. It's closed today, unfortunately. And again, I'm not going to even try to say that word. But yeah, that place there. But it's only open Monday through Friday, and this is a Sunday. This is really a nice place so far. I mean, it's a wildlife reserve, so it's just like wooded area, but it's really clean. It seems to have a lot of trails and tons of information. If you're a bird watcher, this is where you need to be. Yeah, the sun's making all that hard to see. It's just the way, time of day. But anyway, yeah, like saying, if you're a bird watcher, they've definitely got that. If you can hear the birds now, if I be quiet. Pretty nice. Hunter information. So I guess you can hunt out here, probably permitted at certain times of the year, I'm sure. Open seasons, refuge areas open to hunting. Yeah, it gives all the info here. I'm not a hunter, so there's two trails we're fixing to go check out, and you can ride a scooter on too. That lost trail, whatever it's called, it starts right there. Yeah, it's a pretty nice place. So we're gonna go over here and check this trail out. And oh, I don't know what kind of birds them are. Can I find them in the viewfinder? Okay, we're just looking at blue. I tried. There's two cool looking birds up there. Let's go get on the scooter and check this trail out. Well, we've been riding around this, before we say anything, I'm underneath a shade tree. That's why it's dark. But we've been riding around, just kind of exploring the wildlife reserve. It's pretty nice. You know, it's all nature. There's not roller coasters and water slides and all that. It's just all nature, grasslands, wetlands. I think I saw one that was called shrublands. It's pretty nice. You're come visit it if you're ever in the area. Of course, again, I can't say that word. Not even gonna try, but that's the name of it. Pretty nice. We was gonna go up it. You can go in this watchtower, watchtower. We was gonna do that, but you gotta get a key from the ranger, and the ranger's only here Monday through Friday. This is a Sunday, so nobody's here to get a key, but you can go up that. So that's pretty cool. We had us a picnic right here underneath the trees. She went over there to check something out, but yeah, had us a nice little picnic, and then I think we're gonna ride around a little bit and head back. Made it back. I had a good time out today, scooting around and sightseeing and just really just riding around and enjoying being outside. Really enjoyed it, had fun. Unfortunately, I got to go back to work, so I'm gonna be pretty busy. But anyway, I just want to say hello to all my friends and family, subscribers, and I just want to thank y'all for hanging out with me and watching these old videos. So anyway, till me and old Russ sees you next time, God bless you.